Blessed people, hope you're having a great day so far. So come for talk about Shenseea and how well she's doing out there. You see me? So Shenseea gone out to Boston and you don't know, the paparazzi and her fans them a show support. Everybody a look for try get an autograph. You see me? Shake Shenseea and all these things. Yes, so I'm showing how I go on.
Murder Shenseea. I'm you're Ramishi. I'm Lady
Ramishi. Big up Lady English. Problems can come on the mall. Singing them out.
Speaking about paparazzi and fans, so the other day Shenseea posted on her Instagram saying that sing your favorite Shenseea song and I'll post it on my page. Just tag me in the video for a repost. So these are my two favorites so far, and I tell me what I think, people.
Why you do me this? Why you do me this? Me give you me love and this is why you doing it. Why? This is why you doing it. You're not ready at all, ready for all this unconditional love I got for you.
Yo, no girl can't see me and cause problem. My man comes so me walk on them. Me no love chat, but me I want them. Tell them this a real shame ain't content. No girl can't see me and cause problem. My man comes so me walk on them. Me no love chat, but me I want them. Tell them this a real shame ain't content. Now fight no girl over no man, me no eat that. Hit me and take your man, me a keep that. Girl have to see me in the street and pass and whisper to friend if I see that. If a girl touch me nah say me nah beat that. But if me a take your man, me a keep that.
Nah lie, people, a girl that sound just like Shenseea, I'm nah lie. If me hear her on radio and never see a video, but I believe a Shenseea. So them two girls, them talented. I think I prefer the second one more. No tell me what you think, people. Comment down below, like, share everything. You see me I say? Yeah man. Right now I just left now with a brand new Popcaan. See it here.
And go as usual. My diamond them unusual. Them a use girl try set me up. Them no know, say me use the girl. Yeah, see the devil come slew the man. My respect is mutual. My gun carry anywhere me a go. Make it work like a Honda van.
Yes, unruly boss I asked if him for drop that one here today, people. Yeah man, so I'm just vibes it out and I see if it ready. Yeah, but so far everything sound ready and ready for the road, yes. So I say show about Papi. Yeah man, if you don't like that one and don't want Papi, let it go today. Just comment below and say show about. You see me? Unruly boss.